Better duo, Jordan and Pippen or Shaq and Kobe. Go Marcellus.
You know what? I'm flip-flopping on this one.
Wait,
first,
what?
On the surface, you can think it's Jordan-Pippen.
No.
But I got 2 top 10 all-time players in Shaq and Kobe. You're going to look in the Hall of Fame and say, who are in the top 10?
You don't have
those
2 3-peats, though.
But you got 1 3-peat, and you got them going to 4
3-peats.
And you know what? You didn't even get your 2 3-peats. He had to take a break. Now, hold on. If you really going to do it, what you tapping out for? Why you tapping out in the middle of it?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to go there.
I agree with Marcellus, man. First of all,
Wait,
it's like inside, outside. Inside, outside. Both those guys playing out on the perimeter. What are they going to do when they play against a dominant big man? They can't do nothing.
Look at that.
What Jordan and Pippen going to stop to do that?
Yeah,
They
They
can't
won
stop.
6
Who gonna stop
wins
him? Who gonna
together.
stop him?
Yeah, they have to do it against
70
Shaq and Kobe,
wins.
bro.
70 wins.
6
I'm sorry.
rings.
Why is it that rings are only important half the time that we're arguing?
Both
The other half
they
don't
both made
count?
first-team all-defense.
Oh, good for them.
Who
Who cares? Who cares? Look at Shaq. Look at Shaq.
Every time the season, every time they won, they focused on first-team all-defense.
And Shaq and Kobe scored more together than Jordan-Pippen ever did because we know that Pippen wasn't the one that was going to
Hey,
score.
but they couldn't even get along. They faked it till they made it. They faked
60
it.
points.
Rap album.
And
You
that's
can
them
have
hating
it.
each other.
Okay, you know
And they all
what?
was trash.
All of
Who's
that.
that?
Good movie.
The movie category
Absolutely
is
not.
the toughest
Blue
part of
Chips
that
was
movie.
Blue Chips,
horrible.
Space
Wait,
Jam.
can we?
Not my guy, Tony.
Space Jam versus
Not
Blue
Tony.
Chips.
Space-
I
Blue
like
Chips is way
I
better
love
than
Blue
Jam.
Chips.
Blue Chips is a real movie.
Space Jam.
Space Jam was a commercial. It was a commercial.
I didn't see either.
Why are you getting mad about it? Why are you so angry about it?
Because my takes are hot.
Blue
It
Chips.
gives me heartburn.
Yeah, stop
wearing
it.
shorts.
Stop it. Are you kidding me?
Anytime you can play one-on-one with Martians, it got to be the best movie.
They had to
Space
script
Jam.
that. They had to
Space Jam.
script it.
Yeah, look. And they both had Phil Jackson.
I just was like, I was mesmerized by the hot take that I completely totally forgot
This
about.
is a Phil Jackson question because he had both of those guys in duos. And I swear, the talent level, the peak level of Shaq Kobe,
Let me
that
ask you
was
this.
dominant.
If you gave Phil Jackson truth serum, who do you think he picks?
It's not
Which
true
duo?
serum, it's that.
I think
Shut
it would be
up.
Shaq Kobe.
No
Shaq Kobe.
chance.
Just because of the combo of them playing together. They fit better into his system. Because he doesn't need a point guard for his triangle. He would say Shaq
Why am
Kobe.
I not sitting next to Steven? He and I get along. This doesn't even make sense.